that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and that I will do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
So the governor will now sign the oath of office in triplicate. The governor shall also sign the certificate of inauguration, again in triplicate. Sorry. And pursuant to Section 38 of the Leadership and Integrity Act, as read with the Regulations 34(1) of the Leadership and Integrity Regulations 2015, the governor will sign a commitment to the General Leadership and Integrity Code. Those ones are two. And now the judge will commission the same